Good evening friends, my name is Pooja Shovash Patil. Today's date is 18th November 2021. Topic name is conditional statement. A conditional statement is a consist of a condition for a task. When condition is true, then application performance task. The condition portion are included conditional statement is also called as express. Conditional statement is being with the keyword in parenthesis. Conditional statement is a source code of inside the statement. Every conditional statement is using with simple if statement. Conditional statements are divided into 5 parts. First one is a if statement. Second one is a else statement. Third one is a if else statement. Fourth one is a switch statement. Fifth one is a nested if statement. First one is a if statement. In programming language, if statement is a provide program. It guides for making sure decision. Use of if statement is to specify a condition to be created. The if statement condition is true. Syntax of if statements. If condition bracket statement bracket complete. Then else statement. Else statement is a alternative statement. Use of else statement is to specify a block of code to be created. Then specified the value is false. Then if else statement. If else statements is between two alternatives. Use of if statement is to specify a condition for test and condition for test, and the first condition specify the false. If else statement syntax. If condition bracket statement bracket complete, else condition bracket statement bracket complete. Thank you.